Animals and their eating habits. All living things need food to survive. Like humans, all animals too need food. Why do we need food? Food gives energy for various functions of the body. Food protects us from various diseases. Animals need food to grow and to build their bodies. There are different kinds of animals in the world. All animals are living things. They need food to survive, to get energy for their growth and to stay healthy. Different animals eat different types of food. They cannot make their own food. They depend on plants directly or indirectly for food. Eating habits of animals. Different animals eat different types of food. According to their eating habits, they can be divided into 3 groups: carnivores, omnivores, herbivores. Herbivores. Animals that feed on different parts of plants are called plant-eating animals or herbivorous animals. Animals like cows, goats, sheep, and giraffes eat grass or green plants. These animals get their food directly from plants. Elephants eat the stem of sugarcane plant. Monkeys eat fruits and squirrels eat nuts or seeds. These animals have flat front teeth and strong flat grinding teeth at the back which help them in chewing the grass and leaves. Carnivores. Animals like tigers, foxes, wolves, and leopards eat flesh of other animals. They are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. They either catch the prey or eat dead animals. Carnivores feed mainly on plant-eating animals, so we can say that they get their food indirectly from plants. Lions and tigers eat goats or other animals. Frogs and lizards eat insects. Snakes eat rat or rabbit. Carnivores have long pointed teeth to cut the flesh and strong grinding teeth to chew the bones and flesh. Omnivores. Some animals eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Such animals are called omnivorous animals. A cat eats rats. It also feeds on milk and bread. A dog likes flesh. It also feeds on bread or chapati. Humans also eat plant food as well as the flesh of other animals. People who eat plant food are called vegetarians, and those who eat flesh of other animals are called non-vegetarians. Animals and their different ways of eating. Different animals eat different kinds of food in different ways. The eating habits of animals depend on the teeth, shape of mouth, and jaws of the animals and kinds of food they eat. Chewing the cud. Herbivores like the cow, goat, sheep, and giraffe cut or bite the grass or leaves into small pieces with their front teeth and swallow them in a hurry. These animals later sit in a shady or safe place and bring back the swallowed food to their mouth from the stomach. Then they again grind the food well and swallow it. This is called chewing the cud. Gnawing. Animals like rabbits, squirrels, and rats have sharp front teeth, both in upper and lower jaws to cut the nuts, seeds, or fruits. They bite the food with their sharp teeth. This is called gnawing the food. Swallowing. Animals like snakes, frogs, and lizards do not chew their food. They swallow the whole animal. It throws out its sticky and long tongue to catch the insect and then swallows the insect. Its teeth are very small and help the lizard to keep the mouth closed so that the insect does not escape. Sucking. Animals like butterflies, mosquitoes, and honeybees have long pointed sucking tubes that help them to take liquid food by sucking. A butterfly has a long coiled tube called proboscis. It sucks the nectar from flowers with this tube-like structure. Some more feeding habits. Babies of animals, including humans, take milk from their mother's body by sucking. A lion uses a pair of tongue-pointed, sharp teeth for tearing the flesh of their prey. The elephant uses its trunk for picking up food and sucking water. Dogs and cats lick liquids with the help of their long tongue. An earthworm uses a hole-like mouth for eating mud. Food chain. Look around you. You will see that all animals depend on plants for their food either directly or indirectly. For example, a grasshopper eats grass. The grasshopper is eaten by a frog. The frog is eaten by a snake. And the snake is eaten by an eagle. We can thus observe that all living things become food for another living thing. This continuous process is known as a food chain.